Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you the tips on how to solve your dim headlights on a Volvo C30, S40 V50 and C70 model. This may also apply to other Volvo models, however this is a common issue on this platform. At the start I'll be covering the repairs that only take time and no money. First is the headlight cleaning, and I do have an in-depth video for this. Removing the headlight only takes a matter of minutes. Once out, the rear of the headlight cover is removed, and then you can disassemble the projector assembly. Dust can slowly make its way inside the assembly, eventually baking on the glass, plastic, and chrome reflector surfaces, cutting back that light output. Window cleaner and a microfiber cloth can be used, but be extremely careful with the chrome reflector as it is very delicate. While at the reflector, it's a good idea to inspect the condition as they are known to peel, leaving a raw plastic, no reflective material underneath. If that's the case with yours, you may be able to use a high heat resistant chrome type tape. Replace the projector assembly with either an OEM or aftermarket unit, or replace the whole headlight assembly. Next is aiming your headlights. Maybe your car was in an accident, or due to worn suspension components, either could leave the lights out of adjustment. Your fuel tank should be about halfway full, as this too can move the beam's position. Light adjustment is done using a 1/4-inch socket. There are 2 movements for each light. There will be an up and down movement and a right to left movement. Headlight adjustments can be done by yourself, or you can pay a mechanic to set them up. As a rough overview on how to adjust the headlight, first find level ground to park the vehicle on facing a wall or fence which is fairly plain, where you're able to see the hot spots in the beam. There is a couple ways to start out. You can either park the vehicle a few feet away from the wall, using tape to mark the center line of the beam, and then move the vehicle back to about 25 feet from the wall. Or I started with 25 feet from the wall and measured the center of the headlight on the car instead. This is just a generalized distance. This distance may vary specifically for Volvo. You'll also need to determine the center line of the vehicle on the wall. I typically eye this, but you can run a straight line to help align everything. The lights should be pointing directly ahead of each other. The low beam will be a couple inches lower than the center line, while the high beam should be right on the center line mark. Another view once that light is out, the adjustment closest to the grille is the left and right movement, while the other adjustment by the headlight retaining clip is the up and down movement. Another issue can also be hazy or foggy plastic lenses, and this can be repaired by either polishing the lenses, which I do have an old tutorial on, or you can replace the lights. Moving on, the next issue would be the bulbs. I do have halogen bulbs, and these do deteriorate over time. While they still work, the light output is much less as they get older. A simple fix for this is purchasing new bulbs. There is a variety of bulbs available. You can use the standard versions, upgrade to a higher performance bulb, or perhaps an LED or HID retrofit. When using higher performance halogen bulbs, do not increase the wattage. There is a very good chance you'll end up melting the lenses or reflectors, requiring new headlights in the end. Other issues which you may also run into could be a faulty power source or ground, and you'll have to check this through the connectors and wiring. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.